Hi YouTube, today's another game in the UK unboxing. Today's Uncharted 3, Drake's Deception. 15, compatible 3D, Sony, Naughty Dog, only on PlayStation, so your Xbox users won't be able to get this. Network pass to play online, etc. Let's just unbox it, and it's new. That packaging is from a website. I ordered from there because it's nice and cheap. So, network pass, gripping drama, edge of seat action, and intense combat. Like I said, 15 digital surround sound and Dolby Digital. Sorry about that. Online, compatible, HD, DualShock 3. 1 GB minimum hard drive space, and one player, so you can't play co-op or anything like that. So the person has kindly got some sellotape on it, so there we are. Just put that to one side here, and then now let's open it. Let's just put our little logo type thing on the inside of the box, just because we don't want anyone stealing our videos. So here is the map. We're not going to show you the network pass because I haven't used it yet. Oh yeah, sorry about that. Never knew it was on the back. I thought it was on a loose piece of paper. So just going to show you. Just type about it, the characters: Sully, Drake, etc. Oop, through that. So put that on there, and let's just place this back up here. It's a nice little place there. So next, here's a disc. PlayStation 3, Naughty Dog, Dolby Digital, digital surround sound. 15. Uncharted 3, Drake's Deception, and just a little bit of writing around the outside there, and there, you might not be able to see it. I think that's the disc ID, the game disc ID, whatever.
Yeah, blah.
BCES actually. And oh, that's where my hands have been. Hold on, let me just. So that. So there you are. It's brand new. There's a couple of fingerprints on it because where I've been holding it. So there you are. Be sure to check out our channel for other videos. Comment, rate, and subscribe. See you guys later.